This week we design, build and fit this tub rack. The design I'm going with here, we use 4 of these brackets and they'll be joined together with some 30x80 aluminium extrusion. This will make them very adjustable to hopefully fit a wide range of vehicles. This should be a pretty simple one with a CNC plasma table and box and pan brake, making this light work. I fitted these up using some M8 riv nuts and also cut some rubber pads to go between the tub and the rack.